If you are experiencing high CPU usage from the Net Runtime Optimization Service, there is a straightforward solution involving enabling specific Windows features. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing Windows Features. Select the option that says, Turn Windows Features on or off. In the new window that appears, you will see a list of features. Expand the first two sections. Within these sections, locate and check the boxes for all items related to the .NET framework. Once all the relevant .NET boxes are ticked, click the OK button. Windows will then search for and install the necessary files. This process may take a few moments. After the installation is complete, you will be prompted to restart your computer. Performing this restart should resolve the high CPU usage issue. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.